Think travel insurance is just extra paperwork. Wait until you hear how it saved travelers from losing thousands, or even their lives. Don't risk your next adventure without it. 1. Medical emergencies abroad. Covers hospital bills, doctor visits, medications, and even surgeries if you fall sick or get injured during your trip. In some countries, medical costs can be tens of thousands of dollars, and many hospitals won't treat foreigners without upfront payment. Travel insurance ensures you receive proper care without the financial strain. Sarah from Texas once slipped on a hiking trail in Peru and needed surgery. Her $15,000 hospital bill was fully covered by travel insurance. 2. Trip cancellations. If personal emergencies, illness, or unforeseen events force you to cancel your plans, insurance can reimburse you for flights, hotels, tours, and other prepaid, non-refundable costs, sparing you from losing your entire investment. David had to cancel his honeymoon due to a family emergency. His $5,000 non-refundable trip was reimbursed. 3. Lost or stolen luggage. Provides compensation to replace lost or stolen clothing, electronics, and toiletries. Some policies even offer immediate cash allowances for essentials while you wait for your bags to be recovered. Lena's bag was lost en route to Bali. Her insurance gave her $200 to buy essentials within hours. 4. Flight delays. If your flight is delayed for hours or overnight, insurance can cover the cost of meals, hotels, and even entertainment during the wait. This keeps your travel plans on track without added stress or expense. Alex's 12-hour delay in Tokyo meant he got a free hotel stay and dinner on his insurer. 5. Emergency evacuation. In cases of severe injury, natural disasters, or political unrest, travel insurance can cover the cost of emergency airlifts or transport to the nearest safe location or back home. This service can save you tens of thousands in extreme situations. Mark was airlifted after a paragliding accident in Switzerland, saving him $25,000. 6. Natural disasters. Provides reimbursement or rescheduling options if a hurricane, earthquake, or other natural event disrupts your travel plans. Insurance can cover cancellations before departure or interruptions during your trip. Laura's Caribbean trip was rescheduled after a hurricane warning, at no extra cost. 7. Terrorist incidents. If a terrorist attack happens near your destination, travel insurance can allow you to cancel or cut your trip short. This is vital for peace of mind when traveling to regions with unpredictable security situations. Emma canceled her trip to Paris after an attack, receiving full reimbursement. 8. Personal liability. If you accidentally injure someone or damage property, travel insurance can cover legal fees and compensation, ensuring you don't face hefty bills or lawsuits while abroad. Tom accidentally damaged hotel property in Greece, but his insurance covered the $1,200 bill. 9. Missed connections. If a delayed flight or unexpected issue causes you to miss a connecting flight, insurance can cover additional flights, hotel stays, and transport, ensuring you reach your final destination without extra costs. Anna missed her Rome connection but got rebooked on the next flight and covered for hotel and transport. 10. Adventure sports coverage. For thrill seekers, standard insurance often excludes high-risk activities. Special policies cover injuries or equipment damage during activities like skiing, diving, or ziplining, letting you enjoy adventures worry-free. Ben's broken leg from snowboarding was fully covered, including equipment damage. 11. Repatriation of remains. If the worst happens and you pass away while traveling, insurance can cover the costs of transporting your remains home, ensuring your family isn't burdened by logistical or financial challenges. Mike's family was spared $10,000 in costs when his remains were brought home after a heart attack in Thailand. 12. Rental car coverage. Travel insurance can cover damage, theft, or vandalism of rental vehicles, eliminating the need for expensive add-on coverage at rental counters. This can significantly lower your overall travel costs. Rachel's rental car was broken into in Italy, but insurance covered repairs and stolen items. 13. Trip interruption. If you need to cut your trip short due to illness, family emergencies, or other covered reasons, travel insurance reimburses the unused portion of your trip and covers unexpected return travel costs. Sophie flew home early from Australia after her mother fell ill, fully reimbursed. 14. Political unrest. If political instability arises during your trip, insurance can cover evacuation costs and help arrange transport to safety, protecting you from dangerous situations. Jake was evacuated from Hong Kong during protests. 15. Theft of travel documents. Losing your passport or visa abroad can be a nightmare. Insurance can expedite replacement, cover extra lodging during delays, and assist with embassy visits to get you back on track quickly. Olivia's stolen passport in Mexico was replaced within 48 hours with insurance support. 16. Pet care coverage. If your return is delayed, travel insurance can cover pet boarding fees and veterinary costs, ensuring your pets are cared for while you are away. Nina's extended stay led to extra days at the kennel, all covered. 17. Coverage for family emergencies. If a close family member becomes seriously ill or dies, insurance can cover the cost of returning home early and refund prepaid travel expenses. This adds flexibility and reduces stress during tough times. Matt's insurance refunded his flight after his sister's emergency surgery. 18. Unexpected job loss. If you unexpectedly lose your job before a planned trip, insurance can reimburse prepaid expenses, allowing you to reschedule or cancel without financial loss. Chris canceled his trip after being laid off, receiving a full refund. 19. Medical transport. For severe injuries or illnesses, insurance can arrange medically staffed flights or air ambulances, ensuring you get home safely and receive continued care. This service can cost upwards of $50,000 without insurance. Lily was flown home with a nurse after severe food poisoning. 20. Pandemic, epidemic coverage. Travel insurance now often includes pandemic-related coverage, reimbursing cancellations or medical expenses if you contract a virus like COVID-19 or face quarantine restrictions abroad. Paul was quarantined overseas with COVID-19, but insurance paid his hotel and medical bills. 21. Coverage for travel companions. Extends protection to your travel partner or family, ensuring they receive the same medical, cancellation, and interruption benefits if needed. Emma and her husband both received full coverage when he broke his arm skiing. 22. Cruise disruptions. Missed ports, emergency evacuations, or cruise cancellations can derail a vacation. Insurance can cover rebooking, onboard medical emergencies, and other unexpected disruptions. Jane was reimbursed after her cruise skipped key stops. 23. 24/7 assistance services. Many policies offer 24/7 helplines for medical emergencies, lost passports, legal advice, and other issues, providing a safety net whenever you need help. Nick used the helpline in Morocco when he lost his phone and needed legal help. 24. Lost or delayed gear. Insurance covers expensive gear like cameras, laptops, and sports equipment if lost, delayed, or damaged, allowing you to replace them without derailing your plans. Tom's lost camera gear was replaced within days. 25. Peace of mind. Ultimately, travel insurance allows you to explore freely, knowing you are protected against the unexpected. The reassurance of financial and logistical support is invaluable, making your trip more enjoyable and worry-free. Megan's worry-free European trip was backed by comprehensive insurance. Don't leave your next adventure to chance. Avoid costly mistakes and ensure you're prepared for the unexpected.